I don't think construction is for everyone. You know, you got to be willing to get in there and get dirty and work long hours.
The people here. I love the people here and the commitment they have to excellence. I mean, they are committed to doing the best possible job that can be done.
I love to get dirty. I love to stay busy and active, and believe me, here you do.
I was by far the youngest, probably sometimes 5 years, the youngest kid here. And there's just so much and I learned that quickly that I didn't know a thing.
You're kind of an odd man out when you first start. You got to come in, you got to prove yourself. It's not a male-female thing. It's everybody.
Oh, I think everybody in this company is passionate about what they do. It's a great company to work for. They treat us all with the utmost respect. It's the best construction company I've worked for in my 40 years in construction. I've worked for a number of companies.
My dad worked for a foundation repair company, also did some concrete work on the side. So, you know, I kind of grew up in that atmosphere of concrete and structural repair work and things like that.
There's just something about it. It's coming in and you just have this camaraderie with the people you work with.
It's good to have a job where you have amazing relationships with your coworkers because you actually enjoy coming to work.
You're constantly working towards this perfection, you know. They say we build every day. They're building a better me and everything, you know, because of the way that we can work together and kind of bounce off of each other every day.
I take pride in coming into a situation where everybody is just completely exhausted efforts and figuring out how are we going to do this, and we come in and get it done in a timely and efficient manner with a quality product.
We all got a job to do and we do it.
That is one thing I go out of my house in the morning trying to do is what am I gonna learn today? What did I learn yesterday and what can I learn tomorrow? Learn every day.